Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm back here at Alamosa Park Elementary School, home of the Hawks in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. I'm outside near their hallway playground area, one of the murals on the back here. They got these all across campus, but this one I think really tied into our focus for today for the after-school program. And the main primary focus was on compassion, and the sub-theme was one life at a time. And so you'll see, right here that there's different students playing together, helping each other. And that's really what compassion is about, right? It's to kind of put yourself in that other person's shoes. And if they're struggling, where you kind of get that heart that you want to help someone else. That's what we really talked about today through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some poems about being a builder versus a wrecker, right? And just a couple words or a couple actions, we can tear someone down. It takes a long time to build that person back up. Right? So through our thoughts, our choices, our actions, that's something that I really wanted them to kind of take to heart. And if something is kind of clouding our heart to, kind of prevent us from being all in, we also went through a meditation, whether we're going to leave our fears, our worries, our pain behind, or if we're going to hopefully start to, kind of deal with it head on. Right? And there were a few tears today, a couple students that, shared some of the pain they've been through. They've lost someone, whether it's a person or a pet. They had some time in the hospital. They've been bullied before, it's still going on. Whatever it is, even at a young age, sometimes we are going through a lot. And we can be there for one another, right? Because just one little act of kindness can have a huge, huge impact. And I think they really saw that, right? And, throughout the presentation, whether it was understanding that, sometimes we are broken, but that's when our light can shine, just like the glow stick example. That's really what I was trying to reinforce. And to know that a lot of students came up to me after and just said, I remember what you talked about as well, seeing this in ourselves and others, that we're all true miracles, right? The lines on our hand, I always trace mine in front of my shirt. It says miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. But to know that we are beautiful miracles worthy of love, and that some people need to be reminded of that or shown that, taught that, we can be that light to their heart, right? That we can start changing one life at a time. So thanks for touching my heart. We'll see you again later this year. It's my first of 3 visits to your school, and just a beautiful day again, weather-wise, heart-wise as well. As always, though, have a great time until then. Keep working hard, keep showing compassion, that love, kindness. This world needs a lot more of it. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.